in case you have forgotten the lock screen passcode of a Windows laptop or PC and you really want to unlock it by hook or by crook, then you should definitely check out and make use of an effective software called FonesGo Windows Password Remover that comes from the house of iTool. The software is available for Windows and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. To start off, you need to install the software on another PC that can be turned on. And click on Start. Next up, insert a USB drive or CD to the device and select an appropriate option and then click Next. As an outcome, the FonesGo Windows Password Remover will start burning a password reset disk. And once the password reset disk is burned successfully, just follow the on-screen instructions based on your device to unlock your locked computer. Now enter the boot menu and then set a bootable device. For this video, I'll click USB drive and press enter. Now when the device restarts, the software will open up instantly, and in this step, you need to select the Windows system, and once done, tap next. Here you need to select the target account from which you want the software to remove the account password. And out of all the listed features, you need to select the first one and tap next. And in a matter of few seconds, the software will remove the account password, and now all you need to do is just restart the device and that's it. You can use your device yet again like normal. That's how in just few minutes you can unlock your locked Windows PC or laptop. Now go ahead and give the FonesGo Windows Password Remover a try. And if you found the video useful, drop a like and subscribe for more such videos. And see you in the next one.